3, 2, 1, Russia, go! We are in our 30th match here at 2024 Blitz. 32-35 SuperNURDs going for a third note in this autonomous period. They go for 4. They make 3 of those 4 shots, 47-9. Watching the putting up shots for blue. And then the Edinburgh operates period 6-9-6 races for some of those center line notes. They are joined by 3309 Friarbots. This time just looking to take their usual role on the field. They're really just taking up all these center line notes. They are here for the taking. 88-88 and 96-15. Heading over to that lose post so super rad notes 32-55. Careful. They go close to the Divine Lions with a Capistrano. 32-55. Looking for a note over on red. They race back to their side of the field. 6-9-6. Line up for a shot into the speaker. They don't go wide and make it. And they're going to head back over to that source for another go. 96-15. Heading back to blue. They're going to send a note to their alliance partner. 40-99. Quantum lead. 88-88. The Flying Lions lining up for a shot from their shooting player. Grabbing a note over to their field. 46-96. Trying to get over to their stone. 6-9-6 right. And Qual, Robotics, they have no problem evading the flying Lions defense. 3309 and passes a note to the SuperNURDs so that they can take a shot from and meet and once they have enough notes in that out, they are going to be able to amplify their speaker shots for 4 points for their alliance. 40-79 wants them to line up a shot from blue. It looks like it makes it, but it bounces out at the last second. But they're going to look to grab that note again. Try and take it in. From a running red alliance and Edinburgh endgame, they're going to quickly put up 2 shots for net and will be completed as 3309 delivers another note to their alliance partner. In the endgame here, 696 is going to look for another shot as well, potentially. And that